enti na me say yes say
o say
na me ni ho
say
you and I were not there
my yetimetina prayer so kwa amana on
afesu wahu na ne okita tuo a odi tuo ya adwuma deda
say no later no be hu say na nya WhatsApp chat kwa so na nya WhatsApp chat kwa
I'm not a happy man
be hu evidence na e kire say bibi say be koso but no kura no wo mutimi duedue mu akohu no kura wa asem no say later be sign ebi muti hu mo ko fie fa wo mu hu di
nim papa nyina o ntina wo ye mfonso an ye hunu aka kire no
ne a wo hunu mfomso no nso aka kire no nso ye mfomso ni bi na dia be ye mfom wo dia be ka wo mfomso
ye to apaso na yetiefu
ne otinsuo hu no e bo wa sensu kwam de no ne wo ton nsuo no wasi su kwam de no but no ton nsuo no de ama
ntina tisika so akwam de wo no
ne enti a bola e me ne yen all because of your politicians are omon kanokore I've realized politicians na nya de ombe kanokore da
na me mfa personal
politicians
so mo ye henfo
me sha se mo boni
so mo ye Ghana for and henfo na kanokore
enye Ghana for
the Ghana for nsesa yesu ni ye ban
o de radio Sam George kanokore okuje to abla kwa kanokore Sam Ejemfi kanokore mo has a friend say local government minister mo friend Info.
Yen.
I said no wakan. Nti mo local government minister and your friend say Ahmed Ibrahim. Ono say won kan okore. Muntaka kra de on de gugu one day de nya
sama na puko kan bi ma ho asem ba ya Ghana for twen no bi na wo kan. Mo no ye hemfo.
Anya mo Ghana for.
Na wo yen na wo ye.
The kingdom of Umofia.
Oh, jai. I was your phone
some amount nipa no amon kan okore. Me o jare me bubo bia ka ho ma hwe be ko company kra ho.
And they from crin to cran and tro kakra no kure kakra.
Se tro kakra bebre. Because I see you get here say utwa ntro ba akwa. This o kosu twantro. Enti na manyafo na nkan okore no.
O kan okore why free.
Entropy no kure kakra.
Dabi. Kan ye mame. Wa mo mpa no kore no.
Enti no ehun asem na che say ye dey that's why but be very fine Ghana.
Wa hu ni motivation.
Oh Debbie, I mean say obey ne dey. A daily guide wa ha me hu supposed to for so aba. The Chronicle, the Ghanaian Times, and a daily graphic.
Serious.
And so by and Daily Democrat wo hu and wo so by na Daily Guide de ne de ma memfa ne tew say no ne no kwane mikita no wa ha enti o say narcotic naps for over $208 million smuggled meth to Australia enti oko page 6 narcotic for story no ubehunu bi wo ho
ajoase narcotic for no de na
narcotic naps for over $208 million smuggled meth.
We can no mo shey no.
Me hu se picture na da ha no ye we na seized charcoal containing meth no enti enne da Daily Guide mu no black na
go Australia we can no mo shey
come Australia for
asana
you no
enti eno no na Daily Guide de buy ECOWAS court dismisses Tokono's removal challenge say $10 million here na mami in damages nkofo na ndia ntum just mama ne de kwa bia just monyu
yes just de
na
so penisi sensuo fawa na nhoma nnua ne nsinsa
omunyina
yiwama
Justice Gertrude Tokono
Supreme Court judge
on farmer
Evrade
na we so on farmer judge no ye kire ho ye bere ba ko do man kuma no
edio enti ehwo asem
say na ehwe so on fan koma
o mo kotena so wo ayi okay
on fan koma so mpan koma
o ba ba ka ni yo ba ma no
o ba pa ya se o
koma so mpan koma na o mo
edio enti ko page 3 a ewo ho stay off KNUST lands asante hini to encroaches otumfo no ankasa na akasa no osemu amoje KNUST nsase na boso no mo back off nyesa maso be ye hye papa our lives are in danger Adwoa Asare's aunt Nana Poma Nshida ono na nemfo nyini da he ne nyina afa de ekoso Apostle Ko Joseph Kantanka wanya ne baabi kro de ekoso ne buhyiam ena enkrata yi de aba nti eho asem so na ewo daily guide mu nsa so a senior prisoners was it senior prisons officer busted
interdicting next time if you am for we go
smuggling Indian hemp into Ketekrati cells hey na me se na de kura na ekoso wo Ghana
ai
hwe ono officer no
o say baby ya na mo de mo ni ahwe no mo susu mfa hwe o na mo ni kan hwe
senior prison officer she was smuggle Indian hemp cell police cell and ya senior prisons officer
nti edu ba bia na se de moto ni tie se reform
chief officer
na so be free ho aba no ne ya deform no ya reform no ne ya kwa deform no
are we safe
not really
ade me ka so mon kanu kre no maso man se be ka kire me se be ka be kire me ana
Chief Officer Michael Osebunsu no of Ghana Prison Service was arrested and caught in a remand no enti ehho asem wo ha nti kwaku monfa de aka ne nto aso na abrante no da ha na
just me dwene ho kra me nti ase
against South Africa for no ma memfa daily graphic de bokrata no emra life
me ba eja twen hey what's it dey
na si
no team can stop Ghana.
Why?
Where the girls SP. Nana bana mo.
Obo ni bi.
Ozi Ghana ye team no.
Bono bo.
Wow.
Bien team.
Wow.
True.
Mo twaso na me de dey so no.
She yensu homa nua ne abo nyina ekwa akobo bi na aka sagro ne yedi na
Keros questions VAR in Ghana.
Oh, I know the omo robo Ghana, no the no correct.
Ene time ben.
Oh, I'm England match no. Penalty no. And fouls be card
free kick bi ni
ade. Ni na na say go VAR no wanko. Okoya nka Ghana win e England there 3 points. Oh, I know the VAR. Now we say Jude Bellingham can say man of the match cry the man cry undeserve it. Na nka na say come Ghana defenders ni baako. Ono a ye de ade ne man say onu cry undeserve.
Na keeper yi cry.
Keeper ne die. No one na man of the match. Because pressure na esi Benjamin Asare so pa otimi
Adwoa Asare adwuma pa so still no. Won say the pictures o mon share.
Eno ahu UK omo tabloids no won say the headlines from the be buy
esu ye
omo akura mo gitu me say omo robo Ghana say afa na FIFA for say omo kwa kohwe videos ni ye na okohwe Infantino no ante
TikTok o say okohwe
Infantino no ante park ne so
anti nkom kohwe na ye ombesa ama ya boro
baby ye ko sanction referee keke simhunu say Jacob
and sabre we live on 90.7 na Sompa France and 106.1 no ye touch mine
what 3 minutes
we live for
mienu ni nyina
wala okay afa obi aberi the information center no pay e de demo Emmanuel City ho daily graphic de obokrata e de opensomfo ni aba beto akira Santene launches book on KUSC 75th anniversary eno na uko kratafeto sudumiensa eda ho a wode kotoko no ato openso obu ewo ne ntemanom no anopei daily graphic one fancy watwa de aba Justice Tokono loses case at Adwoa Asare tenso eda page 13 hwa na sade Australia de yedi bidie ko ya sana bibifra wo mo sasa na wo mo huna wo mo fa bibifra no eno na krata no watwa edi aba chese sa shipment no kra na yenkran ena wo mo eso mu ene ehonsem a na gold board ena yedi aba beto akire Yewra Thomas ampem nyako deputy finance minister was a gold board purchases 135,843 tons of gold every January 2025 everybody May nanu ye ansa na ye badwum 2026 enu ya asemo a Yewra mpem nyako waboso na daily graphic nso wamfa hunta na eja wabobi ede ama ya yeboso ede ama yetiefo a wo mutie sompa fidi kese nadmo ana wo mo chase sade atrencham ne si yire pa no ene sade nsuo si yiri efa ade hye no fana ya den yasisi die si susumrem eno ne ka ho ana nsuo ti naniwa ne yepese yetua no ne yesi fiesi so eka ho panti sekendi ne na afa nso no enye nkranko ena enye de yesi kumase ya na no ebisi tachima ene nkran santem ho no nko ne yesi samna boy nechi no sekendi wono mo nso afa bi mu pa eno nso eda ha ya anopai daily graphic intino ye boso ede ama yetiefo so mpaka se so ye de brew Kenya sade wo mo charge asuafo ni se wo mo di ewuo eno nso daily graphic wanfa nhunta wo twa de aba ye ja ye boso bi ede ama yetiefo a wo mo tie sompapa afidi kesi na anopai ya sanso ato no ma memfa specialized pharmacy training key to primary care health ministry and ekasa asemi na eno nso edaha na asemi we a waboso wate nkuto atogem se tie bia ede foforo ena eba be pie bi no ba betwere wonse ede ato government set up unit to track policy execution eno nso edaha ya no kratai eja ye boso ede ama yatiefo okomfinfini mantamu dia sese wo mugusu demolition no ewo enra hotbite kase so kura ye de bre wo ahwetete atakwa modan pa wo moto ye edc english bond esisi hotete ho ana pila nhyem eno a na da so a ebino da so tetim sa bre ya ekoba je sese mpremo ede adanhye ho ne mapapa ba se ye bre yi so no eno na ese edc dan no wo mo da so ejina dada no amu eno nso ena anope wo mo se 155 on safe structures wo mama kia wo mo demolish Adwoa Obra ni photo aba daily graphic democrat anachi Benjamin Asare put up great performance against England last Tuesday eno so dahai daily democrat says Tokono crash at ECOWAS court endorses dismissal and also ewaha na what the chief justice nimfoni aba betoa when justice becomes weapon the growing crisis of property dispossessions way what the yewra penia wono na wo hwe atentene ho samso what the nimfoni na aba beto krata na chi samja mfimfoni da good board moves to strengthen market integrity when new pricing regime effective July 1st and also ha and was say Mama urges NDC unity at Lawrence Memorial asama mempeni waka chirechire ye mano no wotu wonfo say mo hu ne sonofo ye mo hwe na ma anye bi nti wo de sonofo abo wo mokoko eno nso na eda ha ya no pai ye boso ede ama yetiefo a wo mutie sompa Amaya residents appeal to President Mahama to pro-property demolition. Also, no woman bubu bi. Ana woman bubu adanu go no woman frame and penny say adawumo. Womrem and tessa baby edruno, edru adwa from Peter to Breme. And also an akratai, which adiaba ye bosubi, a day amaya tearful. Yera Julius Debra, mehunu wa bo political dress and pa and penny for one in channel so bobo musuit. Na me hu Ghana ye coat of farm no to say tebia your man hu juma and was Julius Debra applauds Delta Airlines for strengthening Ghana US ties over 2 decades and also the Daily Democrat which are at the buy na abusua tie me hu Apostle Dr. Eric Nyameche ne mfoni wo ha and na me san hu His Eminence Dr. Sheikh Usman Nuhu Sheributu Chief Imam ne mfoni e wo ha na mmom Jumadi ni 1st July, ma really few. Ewo National Mosque Kanda. And afi forecourt of State House. And also anopa no ngoche ukuyada na ena dumienu empe mono National Mosque ho. National Day of Prayer and Thanksgiving. Mampeni mfuni ne de chiri na wakane nsa shemsi na ba konso wosoro ho ya de srempaye Daily Democrat.
Aja menfa Ghanaian Times Ghana for mere no send eja beka no menfa no emra ne no kra de ne stories o de bae no se mabobo ni nyina so Bakubi Awaha, police arrest 186 suspects in crackdown on organized crime in Ashanti region. We Asante Memo near Bruce for Juma one more year no, and will be no. Now some of what jump and what the Aba Ghanaian Times moon watches say, oh, I hakra front page hakra daha, now page 12. And Sakura am this move for the number 12 because the move for the page 12 on the all one. And what can say? Oh, say HIV new infections. Ghana has seen 15,290 fresh one. Fresh and brand new. We are near Anokra, Timmy acquire Sabia me and Huadia to move. One more watch you crowd also say one more acquire Sabia. Ain't I want some no. And as a move was we wake up call at the Magana. A wake up call. But I die in Yane. But Nini Munsono, malaria community passing HIV. But another year and yen. And the air and share. Now, for no, Omajuma, Omokoye, Woma say, Juman, Omokoye, and no Omoshe, no Kwan Bear say, as a worth over 37 million Ghana cedis, and also page 12. I work Ghanaian times in Moanra, and I point you could crowd one man bo in the brain. Now, what the Abaha inflation was say, a dance ye, non a my inflation, ni page any slightly, Uncle Baby, 2.7 me, no, near the buyer, and no. Daily Post. And there was some sermons. I say, ya, no, dear, say, ya, and none of the same say, Mahama Kerson, no one, and someone. Ya, no, what tied the papa. Into the beer, Mahama Kerson, handsome. No, dear, but it means some more. I say, Mahama Kerson, no, Ghana Medical Trust Fund. Is as we deep in partnership with other groups, Nina, ya, Equa Yepa. MPP seek action against Canada, Japan. Ewo afari military hospital no ensansam no ehwo eno nso emfoni no wode aba ewo hasia na interior minister be kan se mamanfo etutu ne sere ne abasa papa na kasa mo so wonka no kore deda
oh but I mean mutaka
so wonka so atwa tro yes wonka no kore
but he's trying
the trying is not enough
ministry honom no it's a we say no interior ministry honom no defense they are become
for some fan can
tie they make first your interior ministry and son your defense ni nyina ye bambo
but don't me for defense me can
but me patch say
say no
exactly
and the defense so where bibi mafie
say akoye 2 in 1
dey na
obian fan kan ho ba wo ye
da bi onye enu nti na finance minister ehwe na yesa wo brojaje mfi ono so deputy minister wo defense
when was the last time I would say finance minister e for defense ho
adwe na muntaka se wo ko for defense abeka no ho no nepe ya obian ya no obian fa ma no
de bi na make
force
de bi enye so wo force se si ase bi ba ye nka se because ye nim se ye need defense minister
and ye deputy wo ho nti ono na ye adwuma no
enti se bibia ba
na excellency so ono na
chief of the
just a ceremonial function
but
I say a ceremonial function
defense dem fa meka muntaka de no kra
kwaku de make an wonyanti and I want to mean ka say substantive minister ni ho nti no ministry no of course say you abrojaje mfinu mo
nti na ye adwuma nti munya abrojaje mfinu onye ni defense ministry ho adwuma mama cross line kura for bi nko.
I'm just saying say muntaka is trying honorable
the trying enough so abaka said nam tamakulu wa fiase yasi almost one chef fiase be o don person dem reke koma no
enyo no nko na be ayi mai kura be ka bi ayi Victor Kojoga Dawudu wono kura kan
enti mo chebe be wo na me kura mpese me ye oduma kuma Chris ka koma no
mo se maame no se mpo so wo kura a wo mfa na mu mmere mo ya de na bas wote
awai awai
ye yi ni fira aeroplane park
awai ya de na ko awai fa na mo de ne kwa me pese me di oduma kuma Chris no oduma kuma
our prison custody
mu di ahe doso prison mu di me di oduma kuma Chris koma no me se me pese me hu ba bi asedi na tamakulu wo na me koma na oduma kuma Chris
so akwa
asema me kan me pese me ye nyame so ade o se me da fi ase ma me hwe me pese me ye adwuma no because o se ma anya ama mu nua no ma anya ama me pese me ye ma asedi na tamakulu ni ma ya ma nyame
Yes, what the prison
emu di here ensawam ankafo kumase sunyane ayi adwira mumubo edoso emu di he
oduman kuma de bebo
amanfro ma de na
busa prisons no
interior na eyi ano prison for wo mo de ta general kra me kasa
prison service e wo Ghana o him fana sudden name ye moment
interior minister na supervise wo nyina o say she is in our custody every interior minister dey can teach them be owo na me nkoma na do man nkoma Chris
okay
ma me nkwa chronicle mu na me mfa nwie na me wasam wa akire pa chronicle mu na na nadwo sapon wade ne mfoni aba ha sei na asam wo busa no asem hia asem na nkasa no wo page 7 wo chronicle mu wo busa say China fo wo mu ebetwitwa ye rosewood wie ye koye wo mo ba ma ye san kire wo mo kwan mu tutu ye gold nyina de koye no wo mo de akona ne ya de ayesika foforo aba bebie shopping mall ahodo wo Ghana ha san gisika foforo de ko eno achi wo busa say sa mo na wo mo bie ni bebre wa ha no regulatory authorities no ho nhyehyɛ ye ne san mo no a wo mo bie na fe bohu a na gya to ba bi na hye na China mo so ahye Ghana ha no bro ne ho na no asama de kra de yesi nsuo kra awura ho afa ho nyina.
Actually, I think say a good call.
A good call we busa what for no.
China for nobody is saying say of course country be a foreigners also. Country be a ye king Ghana for do no na go US go China.
Wo mo ye adwuma ho.
Wo mo ye adwuma. Of course, enti ade a ekoso wo ba bia bi but there should be regulation. Ade ba ko ye hu ni say most of the time say ja hye ye course the recent one is see ye wo Kumasi. Utimu say Ghana National Fire Service for wo munhwehwe mu ni ade omo no be ka say niema na egu ho dodo no aye de ye highly flammable combustible se say no mo frɛ no se de yi eno nko a dodo na inferior goods ne doso enti goods na wo mo de ba no ebu ho no ma quality no wo fom enye
any ahwe no wo de aba wo de ba so na import Ghana Standards Authority for adwuma ba ko ho
enti wo hwe Ghana enti wo se Ghana niema ye wa ha no omo se ye Ghana niema ne boy den chen foreigners niema it's not because Ghana niema boy ha no cost of production ne was so and the cost of production ne was so na enkanea sika
utility inquire the mu
exactly utility cry at the mu packaging bibia boarding enti nipa no ye mpaboa ne yenhwe Kumase fo mpaboa yi a wo mu yi I mean what me tompa boa bi pampaboa no wo be sha enkrofo edi wo to ya 3 months na etuo nyinare chafu but because say eyenti no e be a price no for mti no e ma eyenti mo hwe na eyifo no mo regulate China for the business ni ye because hajin
ajama minye nda mi fancy na tiefo no gusu kura bop no no samufo adwempo a wode ba ye wo chronicle mu ye chronicle say ya yenkenkan Matthew 5:25 bi etwi ne mame na yenya ne taw Matthew 5:25 chronicle samufo adwempo say ya kwan no a enye no na no nyakrom o ma block kwan say o ma maka bi antwam ho because kwan no nye
akona nyakrom
wo ma block taxi drivers na ngasa kwan na block kwan na ho se ne ateche airtime hwe every ha kon sa wo me junction ho se ekwan ya mo so mbe ene date yesan
26 and 25
oh yeah sure na 25 wo ho aka 5 days na kwan na eso mo wie nsa wo kwan no so mo so by end of the month and na me si maka na ha so mo timi wie a me mfa so da no
end of the month no or month ni
June I say by end of June now we
and they say you say nye possible
contract no original contract no June 2026 and I say sa contract no ono anu gusu ginam wo be wie meanwhile ni aka hokra no eboro ni awo maye eja mamenwie samufo adwempo no wo say yan fix ya kwan na ansa na kwan na kuga oman no
eno anu no
na wo say yan kenkan Matthew 5:25 settle matters quickly with your adversaries who is taking you to court. Na show Jiwo FM say wo Ghana ha bi Jiwo FM bi wo Ghana
boni kro boni
enka na heya kan kwan mas na do adu kwadubofo ne nchen Jiwo FM bi wo Ghana ha siu Downwell Insurance over alleged failure to honor $3 million burglary claim
mame
enti wo nka ne sesi a na akira ho nsam wo de beba no
ebusuan ye wi a ye beba na ya ba be finish ewo honom 0260196064 0260196065. Good morning.
Mini adamati na ho ye de
Erade adom me pacho hwan ne mehia no.
Kwaku otimi ka 37.
Kwaku otimi enti o 37.
Yo mini adamati ntia Sompa FM for anopai. Ene ma he ko na no pa mama ma kwanya de. Ene na me mama wura Dr. Mahmoud Ami ono so mentia anopai. Yewura John Brodus ene ye mama me bisia okumsin. Yewura Dr. Bernard Okoboy oba Greater Accra Regional Chairman ene yewura Dr. Ami Kodako. Na mi ni aba nieba bi koso o man tete dem ha ma obaye si enuboni enobre enuboni we apa be ti ake enuboni we wa ene de yen sole yen kote mi ni aba say okay almost $298 million ye de smidi Africa na ase bibiem akogu Australia wa Africa na ye wo abambofo ewo airport ana ye hambo ye pass the kwen pass the nyama the tukwan na abambofo mu Ghana wo bia entimi anhu ama sanu boni we etimi Africa na ha akwa kodi amanani egu oman ni nyina animu ase ye ko fini aba NDC ana president mama on efu nenu maso ye oman mu fu on ana egu enimu ase president mama ye slow eya doso oba akofo ye hu se ye say ambulance ambulance etna bagana ye ndi ebe ye ene ye ko kan wa dem taa ye hu ye container bi ata alaji bi dia ikani nyoma aye mu ma eno ye hu ba bi e fa ye be tie go ja ikoke we afa ye be tie ikoke ye stress de mama de be nko na e ko so nko amamu ma nko an ba o man mu a nenu boni e 20 president mama adai ye be nko na e ko so ba ye se we de ye hwem nko tie ye hu die e kwankura ta ko ke de fa
Kwaku otimi da CP. Hello, good morning.
You call Sompa. Hello, good morning.
But when you were through that, Yamia dum now so no class.
I mean, we say, me do. Me do. Who say? Who say? What's the chat? I am telling you, what for you? It's Saturday. So the mamicha, Mr. Amubafo, Oko National Right. Joe Asama, Oko Communication, and I'm Sabra Forest Commission, no so yet my day, papa. Now I'm payment, you could have the Queen Community Secretary, and a year justice, and also called the National Organizer. Obapa, if you send me your quote, you say, Yatoni Kukwa in Chiaka, one family, no cross, and Mechianica. Mechianica. Or was one so on Franco Bono, Koko Kachi for no Mujai, Kuku, Ghana, the Okoto, Kodi Wadi, so many better abandoned in Uncle Bombs of war. About Papa by Yan and took to your path, and when you're Sakaya when I'm back to home. And you may and then for the first time 1 year near Chile, a million international market in Cobo this year. But the man took 1 man, what did you kill 1 man, and anything. And then the MPP for being yes, and you will go to my I'll not go for the bar that you just more to the Nakonia on class in Ghana for a carrier born Nakonia, a bit now to Coco 1 pound every 1 month. Really, but near Bataye, what again is not demand the bush here. About way by and San Hana, your Bonabasso, chief of staff, your Boabasso. Who yet do a day when you come on, so and to throw my Ghana, and a crab to us.
No cross, Hamida CP. Hello, good morning.
My God, morning. Good morning.
Hey, and then dear me call us.
Oh, call us, and I made any other party, every year,
all right, me battle. Why no me share me?
You did the comment for him, can organize an answer to now some pop of what is it?
Yamia dum patro into.
It is a mere secretary, from both international chairman, let me see United Secretary of Kubia, the maintain. When you are incoming get a club organizer, now I mean here, Dr. Baumia, and then I have to do for you. Mammy Becky, one and good Netanya, I bring a bit more. Let's say we all my life so different, and then a book of ma. So we are not there, we didn't really so simple. I think, Mamma, ofe na ekoso o memu I want Nako, all the security centers or airport. Anyhow, not to create free Ghana could double this part of the Ghana for the annual demand. Especially, it's from Pidom Moscatra. From Pidom Moscatra, no man in Bassania, the area. It was so. Now, said them Tamaku, I now saw to where I contest you. I now saw to where I don't contest you, Lucia. And then my master of Zonkodano, not Ghana, tell the man Madijano, what is that book business a year? Then no aba, also aba, and a quarter sentence that it would not go to prison. If you cry, I'm among the standing among contact, make it like a Garrick money. I'm not saying Muntaka Muntre. I want to be order. Because Ghana prison is no one, Ghana for the goon, Ghana for a vessel. Here, said not ever query, Edda. Because I said, from the comedy class, I mean, I see the cartoon, I'm a financial, who take a certain Saba, and you know. 1 week, that's the message number, do magical selection, and I cannot move, and I'm also the pizza. One chance, I'm not gonna avoid the issue. And then
Meda CP Obreno Ason. Hello, good morning.
Obama, Alapanya Nasungi, and Council.
Enka Wonso.
But we didn't do Nana Amwa,
Wakase Fresh Boy.
Our usual constant. Maminche international chairman, you are honorable watching a gap. We are the Senate National Dish. Maminche, Mr. Isaac Entry, Abdullah, Chairman Ike, or the local income chairman for the local community. And the Oman Bastion adore the book. And the lecture community, the DI at Chuki Aramana, the Chuki Aramano. And the airport one. People where you are not Ghana, then airport, and now only movie, and I'm airport one, and you go any matter. Dunyaba, catch you in the craft of saying, or see with a body for the money for a money, a sharp opinion, a money bread, and then you might put in the airport for Ghana, I get ashy, in so you can afford, never book Ghana for our Ghana. Just whatever his Papa boy is talking about. Think about the opposite. I have to the enemy. I tell you, you're not going to for every year. Now, nothing fresh you of it's got enough for you. And they are correct discipline. You're 2 water bedroom. And they got a mobile be made for about 15 to 16 months. I'm going to reach your client. And then, or manager, but no, man, of the 4 stores, the Apam man got a crumble. And then this is the man source of the Apam man. I hear, yes, no one, but what I know, I'm going to that in Chimao. The name German was a point saying German and teach him by phone to read German in Galaxy. I put it on.
Meda CP 0260196064 0260196065. Hello, good morning. Ejanimo. Nyamia do mejanimo yenti unfi ofanko.
Yes, we pa. The church no pay. Now, sorry. And if I'm some secretary, or the Salvidia director communicator, Mwamuni Panu, the Munya campaign, man, and I am to Apam. Lamanton, a question of Usua, or next woman organizer, Accra. Musician appointment in a Omobafo organizer, or you organizer, and an Akan Mususo air for national organizer. Good. The American Yan said, when you are me and Fanko to move from Yansa President, Mamma said, Express would know by and would die. My sister, I think, will be quiet saying, watch it up. One bedroom with station, no matter 2 Lord of him. One part has gone quiet, I can't my home. Not Express would know why and over Bunyan. You cannot question one bank quiet, I find. The Express would 1 year, were for a man. Oh, my wife is only kicking Nick as I got 4 pounds, so I'm up. You're back to a bedroom. Because the Roman woman and you, one man of phone over the Tutia, MPP, there's a massacre of money. Both the NDC, your way of West into one country express would win. Sakwanwa, a month for Africa to the Lord Simon, one quiet Sakwan. Bye bye.
Ejanimo Meda CP. Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Maybe I should want to mention me.
If I don't thank you,
Domi Yentio.
Dunyaba, and a Pemami Papanya Yamami. Amincia, on Dr. Brown, on SEO, Air Policy Commission, and a pay Sompa TV. already on Penyago, the channel Papa Fan of Pay. And I'm thinking about the Bena Meva Pay, Yapi, Zuna Cancer Chama for the Mio. In the demo the neighbor studio, and I'm and more than what of me, and then important. The friend of Babana. Last week, and on Kotuaba, on air domain is, as I remember, is on air domain as Zuna Cancer Chama. Or no ability to that, I remember there 8 years ago. And what about him? Didn't wow the boy, the family feet, and a cow any dummy. It was time by him, you ever bad me. It one day move ever pay the money to my head. Now you had to dominate the new to us, whatever. Think about it. It's here, call it. No more Qatar. Now, I am Mr. Papa. Jane, if you want to know what time, obedience to the president. Yes, the cat, all of things, get out the chef prayer, can kind of name of Bonnie and no moody. And there was almost trouble doing carry, and I just go to new chairman, and I read almost to be in country empire because the Papa Mahama was the ministers. It's the obvious what in the suburb dynasty. That is what the bone, yet the issue, 2 years. Tell me about standards are Bangua Marco. That's what it.
Domi Mayor made us say, Obreno Asun. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning. Apam.
Eradia don't patronize way.
Listen,
Me patro dini baby aka say free ni nti hotel.
And patro, the 10 GB. You got up in an acroom.
Yenti on free na nakrum.
Yeah, okay. Money is that that is the boneno. Any Ghana airport na fire and can record Amanonino. Now about the whole Ghana, you know, check issue. Na deni ko do one man kana omu say idea we no mo di free Ghana ba yewi Amanonino no. Any man someone just me say the guy MP Honorable Ramadan and Okawe. They say nana ku which be no me the annual road na o ma share constitution. They for omu share my wire train.
Menso Meda CP Anopay. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Miniaba. We have the champion of the Atamika. If you free, Ashama. Miniaba, but yeah, my boss, Captain Joshua Hamidwa Kamba, will be a mechano, and I'm a man and I'm pen. I can't a person mechano, but any say. Sompa. Kase, Ghana, and Tisaya. Yeah, before the Magana, I mean, you have any say to Namacana. Shaminiaba, and before buy. Don't put I bet Jessica Magana for you been a flu out the eye or my fire, you be piano, or my panya Kufado, the told flu. And what you better and see and taxing who could use Ka, who did the Capuania, Yana, who did the Capuana. Miniaba says, I never would do 1 hour here. But the master, and to be quite Rumuba. Omuna abɛtwe Ghana akɔ akyiri efi omu kaa sɛm a ɛdi nkontuo Ghanafoɔ yɛn hu sɛ mapanyin wei a waba no nneɛma papa a wɔreyɛ no ɔmapanyin wei wayɛ adeɛ o na mpɛni wi sɛ nneɛma nkurɔfoɔ bɛyɛɛ no sɛ yɛnhyia ɔmapanyin wei a kabade sanka Ghana kiri bi a kɛbɛtɔn eti mesrɛ mo ba a mo kaa sɛm a Ghanafoɔ mobɛka sɛm bi asɛ yɛn kura na momɛka sɛm a ɛde sɛbe mode adwendwe bi bɛto yɛ so Miniaba NDC yɛyɛ adwuma yɛn nyinaa mmɔ mpa yɛnta NDC bibi abɛyɛ kama ne nyame nyɛ adwuma
Sompa Simon Meda CP. Hello, good morning.
Sompa Adwoa de Pana, what is it?
Eradia Dom Collins ni.
The Sompa kwa the Jesus.
Eben. That's a Tuesday the man to won't come.
And I'm in Namkrumunti. In Namkrumunti, okay,
I hope so. Be a
grandma pop to one crown and the crown. Ah, who call the crown crap on a normal diablos. Maybe out 50 atomic run about Echo Circle. Quania Yana, a Jadipa.
And there's a baby, ain't you know.
Na onse kromo yin ya no gwen bisa meka se omo yin na msumu mine because for being a book I'm in Sudanisa so you just down to them I say you jam box you say I want to you want them abonu because why mami shia me npi na bo litin na ibe na no pe na npi agi and I'm the Osman, we do a many do. Let's say this benefit. My income number is the Oracle, which my youth organizer, let's say, about the AK Oracle. It's your secretary, they will get that from my employment. Don't come back, that's our experience. And if one is more, some of them will be done. The need of my people staff and then deputy the regional communication officer to get down also the deputy national communication officer. So let's get driver for some super one no more young. Na colony I don't think catch on me Yamisoma. Na de bia mo for a passengers are post the edition 50%. Na my straight tension. Are they moving some it is a more you can move something better the attire.
Eben wo breno ason komo a fa transport operators ne ho asem ne de edin yaka emfoi. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Sompa Imabakuse.
Me pacho wan me hia no.
Hey, na de AP2 pacho bright me. I'm afraid
Yeah, wona
bright.
Bright. Yeah, na one Collins. Yeah, na ma confuse me.
So
yeah, but you ain't on Fabo so.
Collins Eminia. And na mo akusu ye MPP ni. The Emia say party or domino. Nye party aka so dom. Ka so be kan di so. Ba yin na be fanita.
Ain't on Fabo so kan.
NTD or beba. Mami fa okunya weso na membo mabaso na mitrenya kopon ba mbo ni nchira enfa mama na menkai region so say honorable Amos na me adum na time strong or for secretary our region nti omunkai no na omutu abama no that's na Dr. Brown or Butu Forest Commission Michiana and no please. Enya Abolo, also called Deputy Communication Officer, our trouble, any among stand the Salmon kind of. And I will carry my cafe in the network where we see in China and other places. The best Honorable Joseph Bukari, Transport Minister. The name no Kase, who he as a perform, Eddie Ahmad drivers for any Ghana for. And she didn't share. Drivers for is there on between lolly fair so Eddie Amagana for a Dimukaba, which you can be Eddie Jessica Eddie Aframan for. Monsieur, sir, a dream may now Ufaka from Pampo to Casua, the 15 cities. And she ever said, Transport Minister, Omobo Modia said, Ombeshena, my baby, Eddie Afasa, Adena Akoton. What's the MPP? Yet your man will move.
Bright Medas, say, wo breno asume fa me last caller. Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Adwoa.
Akafia.
Wafu.
O say.
Akafia ni dia ko mumba.
Free fa. Someone you know the same squad. Same squad.
Oh yeah, standing on yeah, number.
Every find you.
You just invited my phone na go phone chira mu na mama nyansa ne agent. Abu de be e ma bo my Ghana de dia area. Na me tia papa bo cheja ku kan chairman MPP. Let's get delegate. Ne mo poni bo cheja ku. Yes, mo be nyansa fo nya na mo tintim. You bet me my party in your cabo and send you to the power. And the power, Minchia, say Papa Baumia, what can I come and say, you can, what president, oh Ghana, not the NDC. And when I look at it, you never have to say you're 2 about a year, you will 1 year, 3 years, Mohammed. Yo, right, what can I come? Your candidate, I can say, transport minister, a year will be. There's the entire drama for 1 year, channel. You are Mahama, what $2 but from $40. As you said, and so any light, one what you walk Ghana for, it's only the bishop baby. Oh, say, what would take tax short? We say, I can be drama million and having a good number
no more to roll fame. So I tell you, okay, 15, but all you can get one, or what you make it 30 Ghana from a crate to Casua, 30 Ghana, 50 Ghana, I want to tax for another, that never for Buga. And so much for Mamma Penny Politica. I never for Mamma Penny Politica. And the tax for more years ago. And they said they never for 10 or more years. And you wrote that's what we now walk on. One movie. And the better not make a never for say, no more.
Every family that say eno de allegations ayen yentimi substantiate say obi edisika akwakomu obi enti and ye ni evidence bi ya wo ho enti say wo evidence dey fine but ade na ekoso na nye enti no ese empenifo no hwe na wo mutu eho anamo ha na ye de ofrejo medie no ebesi dia mama memfa seda na ma endpoint homeopathy clinic endpoint enche doctor beba no wo ba bedi nkomo wa cheche oni mani so yade bi etete wo say infertility prostate na premature ejaculation entini ni kidney no problem bi aba ho no wo de wani chemu e wo endpoint homeopathy clinic wo mbe show kama enkran shell signboard spinters kwan so eho e na wo behunu wo mkroma bo hia so e wo kumase eho so branch ne ba ko e hodmo a endpoint homeopathy clinic kwa ebe show kama 0244867068 0244867068 anopai esa wutimi di wani chemu ewo Hajia special local food no mo twebope na Hajia setting the table aduane bia ya tudin okwa Hajia ebe serve o kama say bia pesa order lunch nso na by 1 p.m. honom no na ye de aduane na ba obefre 0246 359921 0246359921 and 0594 797215 Hajia bejo so na wa place wo order no ma packaging ne kama ye ban so packaging no tim se solid en kwan bia nkohwehwe ngu baabi ma aduane no meye basa uwia no apekasa natural mineral water ne bi na wanom aguso na enyoma nyina timi akoye nsuo de ye se nipa wo hon ma se otimi stay hydrated enti brano bi esa onum nsuo ten se de be oni padua no ebetimi anya nsuo a deserve anase ehia na etimi afunction ye eno na beboa ma kidney hu ha ne sane ma nyema nyina no etimi fi ho nsuo no so de edin ne ye ba kopa kasa natural mineral water Kasaloma Ventures for na kofa ede aba edwaman so Taifa in Crime Back Hospital Nature Honoma eho and I'll be who 0206469430 0206469430 na wudem ubi anu afre Sompa 106.5 FM Accra ye client service line na ye nu edi nkomo obu honoma we be business fufuro bi baby ye hye no uye good pa o business no services na ye solid ye very commendable baby a wo hye no obi ante wonka enye sika puduo bi a o da bi freying na ye ne wo enye hyehyeye baby ye de obeto ene de ebe ya ma wa won so ye betimi abo o business ne ho dawuro ama wanya visibility na wo hyehyɛ no aha wo de ba ye to wa ye to enti free 0531 886216 0531 886216 so fra ye beje so na ye ne wo adi enkomo na enhyehyɛ wo honom so ye ne wo aye ne kama na bibia timi akonkan ma yenyi birthdays ne emfiri honom tewu na de aka no so yemfa ento so all right enti birthday di kan no enko enfama Pastor Peter Kwakwa happy birthday to Pastor Peter Kwakwa the Apostolic Church Ghana Miracle Assembly ye wo seshi asaren so ene ye wawoda enti sofopanyin ye mau happy birthday every fantastic Wilberforce ho and was say yemfa special birthday ema nyame show na onti nenim encho onye okese pa na onyum free adumo enko adumo saran so ena special birthday greetings enko enfama ni Davis ene eye wawoda anyemi nyame nhyira papa na onye okese baby party ni kwaso bia nso na eja wa mayata ne ntem na yetimi aba be support nyame enyu mfra adum kwa adum oma afiwei enye sonko enfama ni mansa enti birthdays no kwaku ebi wo ho no mo ana okay
anaye mesofo bi ni birthday your friend no Pastor Nicholas nanamu akohene House of Power hona odine juma youth pastor ba ko in fact we born homo de papa debi minim no from Konongo na wo bone homodene papa mabunu ensem da na koma so papa nti Pastor Nicholas nana amwako hene happy birthday Nyankopon shiraw na onte nanim enchrew pa ana enekro ye you know aye Oko 21st clinic Tantra Hill roundabout branch na oye me personal physician my nurse Abigail Yeboah and yes and your birthday happy birthday Abigail no wadwen pa ono so ne ho ofe eno san wadwen pa e wa botre ka ho Nyankopon hiraw onte nanim nkyerɛw onye okese na minim se enwosra na doso na emum eno we na ewo sisi anu ka de starting point onfa wonkwa nkoduru baabi a wahyehyade ama so adu bedu no nyame wonhyira pa na oma wabotre ni akoma pase ya na faso god fearing osanse ministerial watonyom ti wa ya de pa abi yenyina ye do nyame hyira pa
right say ye wi.
Oh, mama, 1 minute na me ntima asem mfiri ho na ne manka me ho be yira me pa. What was the last week? Was it last week? And I me be ka immigration service for asem ya. Na me ka say appointment letters be a day ma omo di diploma any HND e call ya. Na was sanke mo ya do mo ko say omo dey high school certificate and a buy SSC ni wasi. And ye de call ye de fa wo no appointment letters no dan na make ho asem no bet my fato so mame eja kan mame taw na ye nko yenim taw adwa me de sende wo kra
yes
pursuant to regulation 37 clause 1
mo
of the immigration service
we ye de ma omo intake 34 na ye de politics on the intia na make muntaka asem no
2016 LI 2245.
Mo can come me.
Okay.
Asade.
I'm directed to upgrade you to the rank of assistant immigration control officer.
I know you to send ya de
officer 2.
Officer 2. I know you can I go 2 no.
With effect from 13th June 2025.
Mo entiafe ni omo beka kire me say no omo serve probation wie no. Afi wa mo.
The salary scale attached to the post
Jahoko wanim.
Or say, you shall be entitled to any other allowances payable to immigration officers. You shall be called upon at short notice to serve in any of the immigration posts and stations throughout the country when necessary without reference to you.
Show where ye omo di HND any diploma eko apply ya e wasan ke do mko sa wa mo rank no na no me boss wa ha kire
immigration officer 2
dabi we ye di mo tu om no we no chese ye di mo tu om no na omo na san ke do mko inspector any assistant inspector any assistant inspector and wasan ke do mko and because of politics because and I make catch there say because we see a MPP time in your far womunti yam fast rank ne ma womunti yes and you ma start
Comptroller General Mohammed Hudu Yakubu
deputy
DCOY head of human
we munyina ya copy wo say enti me say sa letter we me dey come petition ne ho as private citizen e dey akoma Reverend Dr. Wingam sir na immigration service board no on the down sir adentina ya make provisions say so ati won bi na we asi oka ho he's part of them
ubusan se wo hu
nienti a me se muntaka one kan okura nkyerɛ a say why tron baako ene say na no what be ka kyerɛ yen say empo wo rent allowance ye de be ka wo salary ho be sinne immigration officer, prison officer, fire officer, be anywhere in the salary I can. You didn't rent allowance, I can't salary. Me see, or be anywhere in the rent allowance, they can't salary. Woman no me deny. Me see my damn. So woman no me deny. Say, I make can't correct. Now, Adwoa meba.
Time na
me ba nya botre. Ma me fo ma no nsi.
Rhapsody braso.
Afa wei na no me be ka kire o se controller e share o mo boss o de be ma wo mo e no wie o ko Sampa ko ka kire o mo se wono a ne kan na no kolo no a wo de kan ye no wan fa ma wo mo ampa wan fa ma wo na controller ne de bi wo mo twetwe ne se abaduaba Samuel Amadu Basintale wo mo twetwe ne se abaduaba because wono no why the politics and the political business and office why na ho reward ne de ama ne reward ne ho akatua and woman de one woman de yentu we toothless bulldog and what was say controller because adwuma no what was the controller but anya no na adwuma no
why na
they see the politician who gave him that post he's serving his paymasters the paymasters and the politics and the na say akwadana also the ranking man I was signing the kwadachi and then akwose say or the SSC and now wasi and the buy no say what tun so or tun so atua obeka say wo mu ade
me da say abusua ha na yede wu AC anopai e wo Ghana today so aha yes but say yede si hanum say na de aka etwe nyina na yede etwa so birthdays na ba kwa kam na we die mi say anya asembeba MSC enti ene ye Fafali Kofi birthday Fafali Kofi ene ye birthday enti ye the special birthday greetings every Patrick Ofori ho ena yede e man oso wodo bebre nyame enhyiraw onye wadom onyi nanim onti nanim nkyerɛw na ɔma afiwe no enye sonko ɛkyɛn de wadi atwam no nyina enti Fafali nyame enhyiraw yie pa happy birthday Dr. Dubuatin ene na pamfo no Endpoint Homeopathy Clinic wo ma ye krado enti ye dane ye ho tiawa na ye ba ye ne doctor didi